Here's the contents of a continuous handrail wall mount. This may also be called a post mount kit. There's 3 screws to attach the wall mount to a wall or a post, and we provide the self-tapping screws that are adequate to attach this to an aluminum post. We also provide the shorter screws, self-tapping screws, to attach a continuous handrail tube to the curved part of the wall mount. This wall mount can be installed on other types of posts as well, including vinyl, wood, steel, and composite, or directly to a wall. You will want to trade out these screws for an appropriate fastener for the type of substrate that you're working with. Here's the contents of a continuous handrail wall return kit. It of course includes the wall return and a collar to assist in hiding the connection between the adjoining continuous handrail tube, and also includes 2 screws that are designed to attach this wall return to a Westbury aluminum post. This wall return can be attached to steel, vinyl, wood, and composite posts as well directly to the wall, but you will want to exchange out the fasteners we provide with an appropriate fastener for the substrate you're attaching the wall return to. Here we have the components and the tools that will be needed to install a International Builders Code continuous handrail loop at the bottom or the top of the stairs. So we'll start with the wall return, which is going to be on the post below the continuous handrail, which is going to attach to the post with 2 screws. Going to slide a collar over the wall return. The loop is going to fasten into this portion of the wall return. At the top of the loop, there's also a collar, and then there's a connector which is going to be forced into the loop with a rubber mallet, which you can see here, to this screw. And then we're going to take a 34-degree elbow, which is either going to begin the upward or the downward portion of the stairs, which is going to be forced into this screw. This screw is going to be removed and the connection will be closed. Then as the stair begins its downward descent or upward descent, we have a wall mount which is going to attach to the post with 3 screws and going to attach to the continuous handrail system with 2 screws. This will all install with a number 2 square head bit and can be installed with a standard drill. Okay, here we're ready to have begun installing our International Builders Code loop, and we're going to start by installing the bottom wall return. These are a good size screw, so it helps if you pre-drill these, which I did here. I've installed the first screw, and we're going to go with the second. Now we're ready to install the wall mount, and again, since these are good size screws, I have pre-drilled these holes, and I have one installed, and I'll add the 2 additional screws. Now what we will do is we will pre-drill the holes since this is a heavy 140 wall extrusion, we're going to pre-drill these holes prior to inserting these screws as well. We're now ready to install the screw that's going to go through the wall mount up into the 34-degree elbow to begin the descent down the stairs. And again, this one has been pre-drilled since this is a heavy 140 wall profile. We're now ready to install the connector. This is going to be the connection where we're going to install the straight profile that's going to go down the stairs. This is a connector that has a screw in place. And we're going to tap this up into place. We're now ready to install the straight piece that's going to be going down the stairs. We're going to start by putting the collar over the straight piece, slide it over the connector, remove the screw, and close the connection.